Hello everyone, it's a pleasure for me to introduce to you Anat Gariwal. I would say she was one of the most insightful, dedicated, joyful student I had in my class. If I have to define her in one word, I think she was the one who was one of my best students. She had 8 bands as an IELTS. Irrespective of that, she was full of knowledge. She articulated her everything very nicely. I think it was the second day when she joined my classes. I just came to know that she's the one who's going to get the visa. I'm here with the passport of Anat, and she got a visa approval for bachelor's in biological sciences. So congrats, Anat. With lot of sheer happiness, proud. I'm giving this passport to you, and I would say very, very well deserving candidate. I think it must be a pleasure for a visa officer to talk to her. I think she had a lot to say. Now let's see what all you have to say about this journey. To start with the things, we'll go step by step. Why don't you say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone, it's Anfita. I'm very thankful for what you did for us, especially. It's good. I mean, it's another home really.
That's fine. Anna, when was your interview?
Well, my interview was on 4th of June in the Mumbai Embassy. It was a very good experience. I went to the embassy. My day started really good. My Babuji Nardas ki thi and it went everything well. The interview experience, it was also very good.
So start up with all your introduction, Anna. Everybody would like to know what was your education? When did you completed your senior secondary? What was your band score? And how you thought of taking up an education in US? How did it all started in your mind?
Well, I gave my 12th exam. I passed up my 12th exam in 2023. After which, my plan was very clear. Okay, I want to go America because biology programs it's best place of course.
Obviously.
And then my journey started from there on. I gave the IELTS exam. I got 8 bands in that. After which, especially considering as I was of course looking up for Buffalo University, I wanted to really pursue myself because programs काफी intense होते हैं, especially talking about American universities.
Science programs also,
Yes.
yeah.
So I took up a 1-year training program as a training program for laboratory, and it went very well. Training experience के बाद I was very prepared already for the university experience, and then I went ahead and gave the interviews and process was really really good.
Okay. So this thing I would like to know. One, that how did you ended up landing in Globes Immigration? Because a lot of consultants all over around in Ludhiana and any other places, like people oftenly go to Chandigarh or Mohali to choose a consultant.
Well,
How was your perception of, okay, I mean, it was when you came to me, I knew that you had a clear picture that I want to, get my things done from Globes also.
Yes, good thing is कि काफी सारे family friends सीगे who have always already met with ma'am, and she helped them out with their visas and all everything in the process. I was very impressed by her work, and of course she's so good. She has such a nice nature कि whenever you meet her, it almost seems like she's part of family. So of course it felt like I needed to get my things done from here on.
How hard did you felt with the process, or was it easy for you right from the shortlisting of the universities, writing down your essays? I mean, what was an admission process like?
I think the whole process for me, especially, it was easy. Considering my goal clear सीगा, I knew I wanted to pursue a bachelor's in biology. My topics for the first thesis, it was very much clear. I knew what I wanted to do, and of course, ma'am helped me out in the process.
Are you happy with the choice of school we have done for you? Are you happy going with this particular university?
Of course, it's बहुत ज़्यादा ही उस चीज़ में लेके satisfied है because universities as in America ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बहुत सारी ਨੇ and ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ shortlist ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ to choose the right fit for you. I think I felt जो मेरे लिए आईया सी यूनिवर्सिटी, the one I saw जो shortlist होके आईया सी, I think they were the greatest fit for me.
You put up your choice of this is what universities are you looking for, or did we pushed you to, okay, need you have to apply only these only?
Well, not at all, because जब मैं आई सी मैम को, of course I knew that I wanted to go in these particular states because
she was a good student, so she wanted a very good high rank universities. And to let you all know, Anat was also one of them because of her good academics, her good strong IELTS scores. She achieved 50% scholarship from the university which was a merit-based scholarship. So with $30,000 as her tuition fees for 1 year, now she only has to pay $15,000 for this particular university for 1 year. Maybe in the future, Anand, you might get some, stipends or some appreciations from the university, because I know you're a good student. And if you maintain your GPA, then definitely going to give you good scholarships again, all over again. Now,
thank you for your words.
I really want you to study hard, because I know you have that determination, that curiosity. And I know I can see you as a researcher wearing a white coat and then, rushing to your labs and doing that stuff and sending us the videos later on. Anand, let's go to Mumbai now, and where you had your visa. Your perception before you were entering to the embassy, before you were entering in the embassy, and how you felt when you entered the embassy. Was it butterflies in your stomach, or what was going on, or were you scared about that, or what? How did you feel when you saw all the students maybe getting the visa or not getting the visa, and that everybody has that hawa, embassy is very hard? कितना लगे आपको?
Well, surprisingly, मेरे वास्ते पूरा process of course embassy जाना and interview बहुत easy लग गया. It लग गया ही नहीं कि I was going for my visa, because I was of course clear with my goal. I was prepared कि I'm able to answer all of the questions. When I entered the embassy, एक momently लग गया कि I'm going for something, कि ये मेरा big decision होएगा life
Yeah,
का, of course.
बिल्कुल.
But after that, I entered the embassy. Then मैं turn wait की थी. My result भी कुछ expectation नहीं रखी, because I was believing in myself, and of course why क्योंकि because I knew if I did good hard work in that, तो गुरु साहब मेरी of course ना करके आंसर पाए होंगे.
Trust बहुत important है. Visa officer कौन सी बेटा? Male or a female?
Yes, visa officer. She was an American lady.
Okay.
Late 20s around होंगे.
How did she started with you? Was it a good hello hi, or was it a very informal, or like what kind of hello was it?
So she actually did not
said hello hi. Okay.
Because I knew as visa officers they're very busy with all of the people. The students know they don't have enough time to say hello to every student who is coming. So I was very clear there that whatever they say, that's not my fault, because मैं अपनी था ते सही हैं, and they're of course they're good at their own places. So I was not expecting कि मेरे में बिना good behave करेंगे या bad behave करेंगे. I was only focusing on my performance there, and the process surprisingly there were also 10 questions पूछे गए थे.
तोनु?
हाँ जी.
Okay.
Only 3 questions asked. So I think that was it.
I mean, how did she started? Everybody would like to know what was your interview like.
Yes, so the interview started with, of course, she asked me to pass on my documents. I did so, and she asked for my reasons for the university. I answered that because my goals were, of course, clear. So I was very clear what's my situation and why am I pursuing that university. And she then asked me about my GPA, what's your score? It's a very common question because I was talking about research a lot. It's a very common question like that. Then she asked me about what's so important, what's so important as in such sort of course, this semester subjects. What are those? I answered those, and then she put my visa.
Okay, within 3 minutes. 3 questions.
Within 3 questions.
3 questions, and how many minutes?
I think it was hardly 25 seconds.
25 seconds. That is a good achievement. And how was your journey in Globes? How long did you take the classes? Everybody is excited to know किन्नी interview preparation सी, किस तरह होंदी सी तोड़ी. सारे नो ना डर बहुत ज़्यादा. मैं सिर्फ I just want to clear those doubts of everybody, those who have that how हुआ कि ऐसी सानू visa नहीं लगेगा. Because I know you guide them. कि I know you send me an audio also कि हम वैसी visa दे रही हो. पर किद्दां करना है?
Yes.
Study थे किन्नी preparation लेती बेटा? किसी classes किन्नी लेती?
I started from March.
Okay.
Last week of February, I came to you for the whole process.
Yeah.
And I started officially with the classes on March. I continued until my date. So it was, I think, 3 months.
3 months altogether.
Altogether, it was 3 months. During that whole process, of course, introduction is very important. What's the process? What is like तो उसी किस चीज़ ना prepared होना चाहिए. Because preparation is of course important at that. जितना थोड़ी
किन्ने तुसी interviews देंदे सी, मनी सर कितना सी थोड़े hard or cool?
I actually expected all the teachers and especially ma'am and sir to be very very hard on me because मैंने इतना होता था कि give me the hard questions, give me the hardest interviews ताकि मैं अपने लिए prepare हो सकूं. Because for me, the interview that I gave there in the embassy, it was easy because I was already because
you were prepared for the worst to happen and the best happened with you. This is what
exactly
yeah.
exactly that's what. And of course, daily interviews was the norm. Okay, Rosanna and Rose, एक interview at least training and at least visa with a proper visa interview in 1 week. So
we actually conduct visas days in the office. We always target to have about 8 to 10 visa days, but I think eventually we start with having 6. Sometimes पूरे नहीं हो पाते. We try our best, but then we again put up to one-on-one classes because dates आनियां शुरू हो जांदियां ने. Concept clear करते करते महीना लग जाता है, which is really really important. So I think another a new journey starts for you now. And wishing you all the best. I hope you had the best of time. We tried to give you the best. I hope you had the best of time.
It was the best of time.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Have a great journey. Bye.